Hey fans, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching today's awesome vlog. If you're curious what I'm actually doing today, I want to talk to all of you about a computer case I had for a couple years, should I say. It's called a Corsair. It's a full towel computer case, and it's basically sitting over in the corner. I'm going to unbury it at some point to actually show you what the case actual looks like. But what do I need for it, should I say? I need a motherboard, I need a CPU, RAM, graphics card, a cooler of some sort for the CPU, maybe a SSD, and a hard drive for storage of some sort. I'm just trying to kind of figure it out, should I say. But what actually delayed me from building this computer is because it's been sitting over there for a good while, should I say. About for 3 or 4 years now, it's been sitting over there in the corner, not being used or being built with a new stuff inside of it. I already have a couple things for it, like a power supply, a Blu-ray drive, and also a card reader as well for the case itself. But I can't wait to actually show you what the actual case looks like. It looks very nice, should I say. I'm going to unbury it today to kind of show you what it actual physically actual looks like itself, should I say. But alright, if you guys enjoyed this channel, please hit that subscribe button, leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share, peace out, we'll hopefully see you in the future vlog, and thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. We'll catch you in the next one, and have a good one.